So welcome to my vlog. I would like to have a review of this Milanese Metal Magnetic Strap. This, to be honest, gave me a lot of hardship because it can't be removed easily when you put the Mi tracker inside this. But overall, it's elegant. But I don't recommend you using this unless you have that rubber inside or you have a tool like this. I was able to got this when I bought a leather strap. So I'll be trying to put my tracker, Mi 4 band tracker, on this strap. Now I'll be showing you how to put the Mi tracker inside this leather strap. I think this will be better compared to the Milanese magnetic metal strap. Although it's not that elegant like the rose gold color, but for me, practicality is better than elegance. So I'll be showing you how to put it. It's only like this. Push it inside and then ta-da. So I'll be there. So now I'll be showing you how to remove this Mi tracker from the leather strap that I've bought using this tool that comes with it. So it's so easy. You just go to the back of the tracker and then you'll see this one. Then you just do this and then push. Ta-da! Done. So I'll be sharing with you now what are the straps that I've bought for my Mi tracker and what is the strap that is my most favorite one. First, I've bought this, like the xoxo strap with buckle lock here. Then I've bought this one together with this one, the Milanese Metal Magnetic Strap. Then today, this arrived, the leather strap, the silicone strap, and the nylon strap. So if you know me, I'm a very versatile person. Sometimes very girly at times, practical at times, adventurous. And so among this, my favorite is this one and this one. My most not favorite is this one because it is really hard